Hey you guys, so I just came back from Trader Joe's and I decided why not do a little Trader Joe's haul. So this is a first for me and I literally never spent this much money in Trader Joe's. I think I spent $65. And yeah, I just went in there. I really wanted to get some snacks. I had a whole shopping list of things that I wanted to get. A couple of the things on the list I didn't get, but I got a lot of things that wasn't on the list. So I got 2 bags. Filled with goodies. They got their little holiday bags right now. So cute. So let's just go through these things. I want to put the phone down somewhere. Let's see. Oh no, that's too low. I'll just hold it up. So first things first, we got these kettle corn popcorn. This is light. I hope it's good. It says 50% less fat than regular kettle corn. I've tried another one before. It comes in a pink bag. It's not light, but they didn't have it in the snack size. So we got these. We wanted to try this organic white truffle potato chip. This looks like it tastes really good. White truffle. Yeah. We got bananas. This is something that we always get from Trader Joe's. Put that over there. Ian got some almond butter granola because we like granola with our yogurt. Sometimes we could put it in our smoothies. So we got that. I got coconut water. I got 2 of those. Coconut water. This one has aloe vera juice, so hey, a lot of health benefits with this one. This is my first time going to have this, so yeah, I'm gonna use that to make my green juice. A lot of things in here is a first for us. We got some Trader Joe's French Market sparkling French berry lemonade. This looks like it's going to be really good. I actually think I might have some of this right now. Let me put that over here. I got coconut beverage for our smoothies. Never tried this either. And we got some almond beverage, unsweetened vanilla. So yeah, we're like on this non-dairy trend that we're trying, but for some reason I can't stay away from cheese. But yeah. We also got this hibiscus lemongrass sparkling beverage. I'm excited to try this. I think they're little cans. I think they come with little cans. You hear that singing in the background? That's my boyfriend. Last thing in this bag is protein powder. So I've been on the hunt for like the perfect protein powder. I don't go to the gym often, but I will be working 12-hour shifts and I need something to like hold me, and I figured why not get some kind of supplement to put in my, to put in my smoothies and stuff like that. So I saw this in Trader Joe's and I actually pulled up YouTube while I was in Trader Joe's to see if anyone made any reviews on these, and someone said it's pretty good. So we'll try it. It is organic. It's a pea protein. It's plant-based, which is good because I'm trying to stay away from like milk and other stuff like that. So we'll see how this is. And that's the last thing in that bag. Let's go to the second bag. We just got some brown eggs. I got some kale for my green smoothie. Some spinach. Some salad. Like, I love this salad right here. Like, it's already a pre-made salad. All I would do with this is add some chicken breast, some grilled chicken breast, and avocado. Throw some salad dressing on there and we're good to go. Like, this is bomb, and I think it's only like $1.99. So that's good. I literally watched a Trader Joe's haul this morning before I went to Trader Joe's, and I saw the person try this on camera, and she said it was pretty good. I don't want to try this yet because I haven't had lunch, but they're cheesecake cones and almond cones filled with creamy cheesecake filling. I'm sure they're pretty good. It is 4 in the box, and it was like $3.99 for this, so that's not bad. We got some 100% cranberry juice. It's good for you, good stuff. Something else. I got pineapples, pineapple tidbits. This is for my green smoothie as well. And last but not least, we got some ginger beer. Reed's all natural extra ginger beer. So these are pretty good. And that's the last thing in the bag, and my receipt. Yeah, I spent $65.45 for all this stuff, which is not bad at all. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and thank you for watching. And yeah, this is a great haul. I'm so excited to try all these things. I think I might make a green smoothie right now. So, and I'm gonna definitely try these. Let's try these on camera. Trying to find somewhere to prop you guys up so I can open this. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. It smells really seasoned. Come try it.
That shit is strong.
You smell it?
Take it back.
It has it tastes like onion, garlic. It's like a strong hint of garlic.
It tastes like too much of everything.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this was like $2.99. We're gonna eat the whole bag.
Get used to this shit.
Yeah, we're gonna eat the whole bag.
More times, but right now it's not like first taste. No.
No.
I don't know. Take this shit back.
You want to try this?
What's that? Yeah,
The cheesecake cone. Let's try those.
Trying to see if the shit was resealable. Oh.
I gotta say the SH. Oh, they're cute. Yeah, we gotta get this taste out of our mouth.
Oh my god.
The oniony. It's like onion, garlic.
I don't taste truffle anything.
Maybe we should have read the ingredients. Organic potatoes, organic oil blends, sunflower oil, organic palm, sea salt, and white truffle. It don't say anything about garlic. Try it.
Oh my god, that shit tastes nasty. This is good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Let me try it.
Yeah, you definitely gonna have diabetes after this, but it's good.
That's really good. It's really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Need a cup of water.
Yeah, definitely.
You're gonna have diabetes after?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thanks for contributing to my taste test.
What?
Well, God, you took the whole cone. Huh? I owe you money? Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Mini cheesecake cones. They're really good. It's really sweet. You get the almondy taste after. Very good, but I need something to drink. I'm gonna try one of my new drinks too. So yeah guys, that's it for the mini Trader Joe's haul, and thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.